Bonjour from southern France. The bike in front of me is the 2024 Husqvarna Svartpilen 801. And before I get into the details, I just want to say we've been riding this bike all day. Been with a group of journalists. I know them all really well. We're a group of friends. We were riding fast through the French countryside, over mountain roads and country roads, and we just had an absolute ball. We were just chasing each other. It was just an absolute fun day to ride a motorcycle. And part of it is because of how fun this particular bike is. So the Svartpilen 801, it replaces the Svartpilen 701, which had a single cylinder engine. This one has the 799cc LC8C engine that you find in the KTM 790 Duke, the KTM 790 Adventure, and now it's in the Svartpilen 801. It's a great parallel twin engine that makes 105 horsepower. It's got 64 foot-pounds of torque. It's a very tractable engine, and it's got enough power to have a lot of fun, but not too much. There's nothing really intimidating about this motorcycle. You know, it has a scrambler styling, but this is it's a naked bike that is really fun for sport riding because it's got 17-inch wheels front and rear. It's got semi-knobby tires, but it's not really a bike I would want to ride off-road. I think, again, we were on absolutely fun, curvy pavement today, and it was great. So, as I say, the engine, 799cc parallel twin. The electronics package allows you to really tailor the riding experience. So it's got standard ride modes are sport, street, and rain, but there's also an optional dynamic mode which allows you to do more customization. So not only can you get a dynamic throttle response, but you can have a on-the-fly slip adjuster for the rear wheel. You can have a set different levels of the wheelie control and really kind of tailor the bike to your preference. There's also cornering ABS that has a supermoto mode, so it adjusts the intervention in the front, turns it off at the rear. So a bike that you can really tailor to the kind of riding that you want to do, whatever conditions that you may be riding in that particular day. So today for us, it was a cool day. It was a little bit overcast. We had nice grippy pavement. The bike handled really, really well. It's compact. It's fairly light. You know, dry weight without fuel is 399 pounds. It's got a 3.7 gallon fuel tank. So it's really about 420 pounds full of fuel. So it's nice and light and compact. The frame, it uses the engine as a stressed member, so it's nice and firm and strong. What's really cool is the subframe is a cast aluminum piece. So this isn't actually bodywork. This is actually the subframe and bodywork is one piece. Really stunning in terms of its styling. One of the things that I really liked, as soon as I sat on this bike, it's very comfortable in terms of the seating position. I'm fairly tall, but I had plenty of leg room. The bars are fairly upright. It was nice, really, comfortable for riding, but also when we got really aggressive tacking some of these corners, it was great. Had plenty of steering leverage. It really handled itself really well. So, you know, this is now, with it being a parallel twin as opposed to a single when it was the 701, it's got more power, more performance. The engine is much smoother, great tractable engine. So the Svartpilen 801 in the United States is going to be priced at $10,899. The dynamic mode is an optional upgrade. Also, you can add cruise control as an optional upgrade. Also, there's a number of different accessories you can get for the bike, tank bag, other things to really sort of custom tailor the bike. So being a part of the KTM group, the Pierre Mobility group, the suspension is made by WP. It's WP Apex. Again, that's found on some of the KTM models as well as some Husqvarna models. And what they've done with the adjustability, so in the front, you have adjustable compression and rebound, and you've got on the fork caps on the top, you've got these clickers that are you can just turn them and they've got 5 click adjusters. So it's got a full range of adjustability, but you can really feel it when you add a couple of clicks to either compression or rebound, you can really feel the difference. In the rear, you've got adjustable preload as well as adjustable rebound. And another thing, again, with us riding today, fast pace, one of the nice standard features of this bike is it's got easy shift, which is a quick shifter. That's a standard part of the bike. So just banging down shifts or up shifts, very smooth, very responsive. And so the bike itself, we had an absolute ball. It's available now in the United States. As I said, the price, $10,899. We'll have a full review on ridermagazine.com. If you have some comments, please add those below. Subscribe, let us know what you think. Again, this is an absolutely fun motorcycle. If you're looking for a naked bike that's got a unique style as well as a lot of performance, but it's in a very, it's in a middleweight category where it's very accessible performance. This is a great bike. So we had a lot of fun. So thanks a lot.